Hi, I'm Nikki with Mastin Labs. If you're new to shooting film, you may not be familiar with the concept of pushing it. Pushing film increases that film's ISO, making it possible to shoot at a higher shutter speed in lower light. If you meter the light and find out that you can only shoot at 1/60th, you could push the film one stop, which would give you an extra stop of light, so you can now shoot at 1/125th. The higher shutter speed helps reduce the possibility of blur. To push film, start with that film's nominal speed. Nominal speed is the best working ISO for proper exposure, and often it differs from a film's box speed. Pushing doubles that nominal speed. So, to push any film, take the nominal speed and double it. To push 2 stops, double again. To learn more about nominal speed, head to photoismmag.com/nominal. Outside of the practicality of pushing film, some film photographers like to push film because they like the way it looks. You get increased contrast, more grain, and color shifts in the shadows and the highlights. Here's a pro tip. Before you load the film into the camera, write +1 or +2 depending on the number of stops you are pushing. Make sure you let the lab know how many stops you pushed it so they can process it accordingly. Knowing how to push film will make you a much more flexible photographer. If you want to take this lesson with you on your next shoot, just head to the link below to download our free guide.